Hello everyone, I am Violin Leung Sir. In this video, we will learn some rhythm. Are you ready? Let's go! In this video, we will learn dotted rhythm. As you know, this is 2 beats. And why this is 3 beats? It is because the dot is half value of the left note. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And this is 1 beat. With a dot, it will be 1.5 beat. And this is a half beat. With a dot, it will be 3/4 of a beat. Again, the dot is half value of the left note. So what if there are 2 dots? Can you do the calculation? 2 plus 1 plus half. Okay, we will one more time. What about this one? Do you know it? Yes, it's 7.5. So, I hope you learned something. Make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you next time.